Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
A post in Teams is a message that is displayed in a channel conversation on its Posts tab. A post can consist of standard or formatted text, file attachments, emojis, GIFs, stickers, and more. Posts are displayed in chronological order with the most recent at the bottom of the content window of the Posts tab in the channel. Posts are not private in that anyone with access to the channel will be able to view the contents of the posts. Replies to a post stay attached to the original post, creating threaded conversations and making it easier to follow the entire conversation. To create a post, click the Teams button in the Apps bar, and then select the channel into which to add a post. To reply to a previous post, click the Reply link underneath the post in the Content window of the Posts tab to display a new Compose message box under the message. Alternatively, to begin a new post, click the New Conversation button at the bottom of the Posts tab, and then click into the Compose message box that appears. Below the Compose message box is the toolbar that contains buttons to perform tasks like formatting posts, attaching files, and inserting emojis. Type a message into the Compose message box. You can apply formatting to your text in much the same way as other Microsoft applications like Word and Excel. You can add bolding or italics to emphasize selected text, change the font color, or add many other stylistic options. To do this, first click the Format button in the Compose Message toolbar, which expands the Compose message box and displays the Formatting toolbar. It is very easy to apply font formatting. One way is to simply select the text to which to apply formatting, and then use the buttons in the Formatting toolbar to apply whatever formatting you want. Alternatively, you can also set font formatting properties for text before you type it. If you make your font formatting choices before typing the text you then type appears with the font formatting you specified. To start a new paragraph, simply press the Shift plus Enter keys to insert a line break. Let's look at the buttons that appear in the Formatting toolbar. You can hold your mouse pointer over any button in the toolbar to see a screen tip that shows the button's name and function. Also note that some buttons, like the Text Highlight Color and the Font Color button, reveal a drop-down menu when you click on them, from which you can click to select a choice. Other buttons, like the Bold and Italic button, are simply toggle buttons that either apply or remove the button's formatting. Also, note the More Options ellipsis at the right end of the toolbar, which you can click to select to undo typing or repeat typing. You can click the Delete button in the upper right corner of the expanded Compose message box to delete the draft of the message prior to posting, and then click the Discard button to confirm. At the top of the expanded Compose message box, there are 3 buttons that allow you to control the type of post and who can reply, as well as the ability to post in multiple channels. You can click the Post Type drop-down to select if the post is a standard post or an announcement, which we'll look at in the next lesson. You can click the Select a Reply option drop-down to choose to let anyone in the channel reply to the post or to restrict replies to you and any moderators. Channel moderation is a feature that allows team owners the ability to decide who in a team can create new posts in a channel and control whether team members can reply to posts. Channel moderation is turned off by default. It can be turned on by selecting the Manage Channel command from the More Options menu for the channel. We'll discuss the Post in Multiple Channels button in a later lesson. To include an attachment in your post, click the Attach button in the Compose message toolbar, select from where to attach the file, navigate to the location of the file to attach, select the file, and then click the Upload a Copy, Share a Link, or Open button, depending on the selected type of file and its location. To insert an emoji or GIF into your post, click either button in the Compose Message toolbar. You can type search terms into the search field to narrow the choices if desired. To select an emoji or GIF, click in the menu of choices. You can also insert stickers and memes into your posts in the same manner as emojis and GIFs. However, memes can be customized with text to create your own personalized memes. To insert a sticker or meme, click the Sticker button in the toolbar and select a category on the left side of the window. Select the sticker or meme to the right. If the text can be customized, type your personalized text into the text caption field and then click the Done button. Alternatively, to create a personalized meme with your own photo, click the Sticker button in the toolbar, select the meme category at the left side, and then select the Upload an Image choice to the right, which is a blank image with a plus sign. Then navigate to the image, select it, and then click the Open button. Type the captions into the fields, and then click the Done button to insert your new custom meme. You can also share videos from Microsoft Stream in your posts. Microsoft Stream is an enterprise video service that allows people in your organization to upload, view, and share videos in a secure environment. To insert a Stream video into a post, click the Stream button in the Compose Message toolbar, paste the Stream video link into the dialog box, and then select the video that appears below the link field. You can also insert praise badges into your posts. Praise is a feature that gives users the option to send badges as a form of recognition to their colleagues in both chat and channels. To insert a praise badge, click the Praise button in the Compose Message toolbar. Then select the type of praise to send to people. In the Praise dialog box, then type the name of the member whom you wish to praise and select their name from the resulting list. Repeat this for any others you wish to include in the praise. You can add an optional note into the Notes section if desired. You can then click the Preview button to see how the praise badge will look when it's posted. To make a correction, click the Back button in the lower left corner of the window. After previewing the praise, when you are ready to post the praise, then click the Send button. The praise badge is then posted and a notification is sent to the people you included. You can click the Messaging Extensions ellipsis at the end of the Compose Message toolbar to view the options. Messaging extensions allow users to interact with your web service through buttons and forms in Teams. We'll discuss messaging extensions in more detail in an upcoming lesson. Once you have completed your post, click the Send button at the end of the Compose Message toolbar to post it. The post will appear in the channel conversation.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.